Not really. Mitch. Mitch. Hi. Hi. Hello.
What's going on? Are you going to be a movie star? Are you going to be a movie star? Huh? Let me sit down and see if I can get him to talk.
Okay.
What, are you trying to stand again?
There he is, yeah.
What you doing, huh? You want to try and see what he's doing over there? Say, what's up?
Hi.
Can you say something today? Say, hi. How's it going? Hello. Hello.
How you doing, Mitch?
He likes the camera. Say hi. Can you say hi? Yeah. What's this all about, huh? Can you talk a little bit? Huh? Can you talk a little bit? Looky, see what's up? See what's up? Oh, goodness sakes.
You're gonna wake up and play a little bit?
Maybe if I have a toy. Maybe he'll look at that. Look at this. Look at this. What's that? What's that? What is that, huh? Look at his little hands. What is that? Did you see Grandma's shirt? I got that when I was down south.
What's wrong?
Oops. What's the matter? What's the matter, huh? What's the matter? Oh, goodness sakes.